Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 945 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application and the your phone, to send the notifications to your watch. So, first find the Garmin Connect icon, looks like this, press and hold on it, and once you see this menu, tap on the App Info. And here tap on Permissions. And I recommend to allow a couple of permissions right here. The call permission, call log permission, contact, phone and SMS. You don't need to allow them, but I'm not sure if you keep them denied that the notification will be working. So you can keep them denied, check if the notifications are working. It means you don't need to allow them, but if you need to allow them, I'm gonna show you how to. So basically to allow them, tap on the permission, tap on allow, and just repeat this for every permission you want to allow. So I'm gonna allow all of them, or not all of them, only the ones I need, like that. Okay, and once you're done with the permissions, you can close this page. Now let's open the settings on our phone. And now we need to allow the notification access for the Garmin Connect application. On the older versions of Android, you can simply tap on search and type in notification access, and it should redirect you to the correct page. But I'm using the newer version of Android. I believe it works like this above 12, I believe. So on the newer versions, you need to scroll down, tap on notifications, tap on device app notification, and here you should see the list of apps, and on this list you should see Garmin Connect. Tap on the app, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access for the Garmin Connect application, you can close the settings, open the Garmin Connect application on your phone, tap on the menu icon, tap on Garmin devices, select your Garmin 945 from the list. On this page, find the sound and alerts, and then smart notifications. And here we can customize some settings for our notifications. We can turn them on or off, and we can also select how they should behave. You can turn them on and off for the two states of watch. Basically, we have during activity. So basically, when you record some activity on your watch, when you're recording it, the watch will behave or may behave differently, and not during activity. So basically when you're using your watch normally. Okay, first let's change the settings for the during activity option, and you can enable or disable the notifications. You can tap on show and select which types of notifications should be shown when you're recording an activity. You can select one of them. Then we have alert, and you can select tones and vibration and vibration. Select the one you like. Next we have not during activity. Again, you can turn them on or off. Tap on the show, select the type of notification, alert. And below the not during activity, we have timeout option, basically how quickly the notification should disappear from your watch. And you have 30 seconds, a minute, and 3 minutes rather, my bad. And the privacy option, and you can select action, gesture, or off. Okay, and once you're done customizing the settings, you can close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.